how do you prove it? We'll have to see see them. Maybe you show what your Facebook looks like, because I imagine maybe it doesn't have the same picture that you have. Should I read the question?
Yeah. No, she posted through the Facebook.
I went right into it. I went to court for a pretrial. I found out that there are allegedly Facebook messages between my ex and I. I have had him blocked for well over a year. How do I prove it wasn't me? I only communicate via text and email since our final hearing in December 2019. So how are you already with a pretrial if your final hearing was in 2019? Like, I have so many questions. Then that Facebook message, you have a couple of approaches. You'll have to testify that it wasn't you. You'll show that you don't have that message. Maybe you need to take a screenshot of what your messages look like. Perhaps you could blur them out if they are confidential, but do a little screenshot of your message links around the same time that you don't have that message and it doesn't exist. So I have to see them. Do they look janky? Are they things you wouldn't say? Maybe you go to where you have people blocked and you take a screenshot of that particular screen on Facebook, right? It shows that you have him blocked, and tell the court that.
So she actually put in a follow-up that she wanted to go into court to modify for more time and contempt over his behavior and phone calls. So
he sounds crazy. I hope you have a lawyer.
And it sounds like he may have hacked for Facebook.
I don't know if he hacked it. It sounds like he's doing some what is it when you modify documents? Photoshop?
Okay.
It's probably photoshopping. Or he made a fake Facebook account and sent messages back and forth.
Ooh.
You could do that.
Oh, yeah, definitely.
Have you watched Catfish? So he's basically catfishing you. Maybe try to find that account. If you can find that account, that might be another way to prove it.
Now, would hacking someone's Facebook or social media or email be detrimental to proceedings?
It's illegal. So yeah. Again, maybe you should look and see if you can find that account, the same account. Also, the other thing that you could do is ask him to open up his messages and show the messages. Right? And you ask him to do it. Say, Your Honor, I want to ask that he, I don't know, if that would be my other tactic. I probably would do that in the pretrial meeting. Right? In the pretrial meeting, I'd be like, open your phone and let me see it, because I don't believe that those are true.
And usually when, because I have my browser open sometimes and my phone with Facebook Messenger, it'll show from one to another that
exactly, Jen. I get some comments to our private messaging. My friend Jen, who's a lawyer, just messaged me, and yeah, I agree. Ultimately, I agree that maybe it maybe it doesn't matter, and he's got to ultimately prove it. But make him show his phone. If you can show on your phone that you haven't blocked, and then he shows that you have messages, how could those match? Because when you're blocked, you disappear from the other person's availability.
Oh yeah, definitely.
So you got some things going on, Catherine. I truly wish you the best of luck. You sounds like you're going to have to get really creative in your case, and I hope that I hope that